Ndewo kekime, Otela. So today, anyị na-eme, we've been doing common Igbo phrases, 1 to 100. Okay, so today we're completing it. We're doing 90 to 100. We've previously done 1 to 90. Ndewo ahambo Ijoma. If you're new here, you're welcome. I'm Ijoma and I bring you Igbo lessons. And if you've been here, Dalori Nekekime Ahodekwa. So let's get to it. And I'm sorry, I'm about 3 minutes late. Now where is that? Oh, no. That's not it. Oh, yeah, I'm trying to share. Let's see. So I need to things like greetings, making requests. Okay, now share the correct screen. StreamYard. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's what we're doing today. Greetings, making requests, and polite talk. We're going to be looking at 10. Some of them are words, some are phrases or sentences to complete our 100 common Igbo phrases. Okay. So, Ibolachi. Okay. Ibolachi is good morning. Ibolachi. Okay. That's the way to say good morning. And if you look on the screen, there are other ways. Ibolachi. So that image, I did it a while ago. When you're writing the Ibolachi, please write it like it appears on the top. There's E separate, which is you, and then Bola and Chi. That's the way to write it. So the one on the top is the correct one. And Ipotala, Itela, all of them that has this E, the E is supposed to be separate, okay? So bear with me, that's an old image. Itela, E is supposed to be separate because it's you. Are you awake? Ipotala, have you come out this morning? E is separate. Esalachi, again, E is separate because E means you, okay? All these are different ways of saying good morning. Otutsoma. Ndewo. Ndewo is quite a common one. That's the way to greet somebody. Hello, hi. You can even use this to say welcome. Just you see somebody you've not seen them for a while, just say Ndewo. Hello. Ndewo. Okay. Kadu. Kadu is how to ask, how are you? Again, this is actually longer, but Kedu is the common thing you will hear. So if you hear somebody saying Kedu, just like that, it means how are you? Okay, Kedu. The full sentence is Kedu ka imere. Kedu ka idi. Okay, but Kedu is a way quite common that we say it. So Kedu means how are you? And usually your answer will be Odima. And that means things are fine. It is fine. Okay, so O means it is fine. So not just you, but things around, because when we're asking Kedu, we're asking about you, but sort of about you as well, your family, just everything around you. So Odima means it is fine. If it's not fine, Odiyima. Odiyima. I haven't written it here, but you just have to add Ge, he, e. In English, that would be GHI to the D. Then Odiyima. Odiyima. It is not fine. Odiyima. It is not fine. Odima. It is fine. Biko. Biko is a common one. Please. That's how to say please in Igbo. Biko. Biko. Coffee. Biko. Tea. Biko. Mmiri. Biko. Mmiri. Water. Biko. And now, Biko Nyeremaka. Please help me. Nyeremaka is help me. Nyerem aka, help me. Translated literally, it is give me a hand. Nyerem aka. So you add please, Biko, please help me. Biko Nyerem aka. Okay? Biko Nyerem aka. Biko Nyem Miri. What do you think that means? Good. If you said please give me water. Biko Nyem Miri. Miri, because there are two M's. Miri. Biko Nyem Miri. Dalo. That's thank you. Or emaila, you've done great. Emaila, dalo, they're both ways of saying thank you. Kodi, bye-bye. Kodi, some people say komesia, it's the same thing. Kodi, and the full sentence is kodi, mgbe ozo, till later. So kodi, bye-bye, kodi. So even though it's written ka, odi, the way you actually say it is kodi, the I is silent. Kodi, or komesia, kodi, bye-bye. Kachifo, kachifo, good night. Kachifo, good night. Kachifo, good night.